Now, YouTubers, I just want to show you this because I don't think people are going to really believe me. It happens quite a lot, this. Obviously, some people respect the cars more than others. I mean, personally, I wash my car and clean it inside at least once a week because it only takes a few minutes because it's quite clean. Where some people take a different route. I'm going to show you now a car that's just come in for me to do a few bits on it. And yeah, well, you're going to see. I'm actually scared to go inside the car. I don't know what that is, but yeah. So yeah, okay. Don't really know what to say. I have to try and get in here and fix the car, but I need a tetanus. So people, please look after your car.